If you're looking for the best home 3D printer, here's a collection you've got to see. Let's get started. At any time, you can click the circle for more info and real-time deals. Number 1 most popular, ComGroup Creality Ender 3 3D Printer Aluminum DIY. This Ender 3 has the ability to resume printing even after a power outage or lapse occurs. Easy and quick assembly. It comes with several assembled parts. You only need about 2 hours to assemble 20 nuts as well. Upgraded extruder greatly reduces plugging risks and bad extrusions. V-shape with palm wheels make it move noiseless, smoothly and durable. Only needs 5 minutes for the hotbed to reach 110 degrees. Strict testing for key components before delivery and lifetime technical support available. Allows users to improve their printer upon the source code and share the changes within the community, resulting in an improved experience for all. Number 2 FlashForge Finder 3D Printers with Cloud. The FlashForge Finder 3D printer is moderately priced and offers good printing quality, but it proved tricky to get up and running in our tests. Slide-in build plate allows you to draw it out of the printer and then remove the finished 3D prints more easily. At the same time, it can minimize damage or offsets to the build plate. The Wobbleworks 3 Doodler Create Plus Leather Edition is a 3D pen with a touch of style, and it has the ability to draw with several materials, including wood-based filaments. Barely a decade ago, 3D printers were hulking, expensive machines reserved for factories and well-heeled corporations. They were all but unknown outside the small circle of professionals who built and used them, but thanks largely to the RepRap open-source 3D printing movement. Number 3 Anycube Photon UV LCD 3D Printer Assembled Innovation. Endearingly popular and our previous top pick for best budget resin printer, the Anycubic Photon is still an exceptionally worthy machine. While the setup is marginally more involved and the default software is limited, the experience will be largely the same. The real benefit to the Photon comes in the enormous community of users online, with tips, tricks, and troubleshooting solutions aplenty, plus its frequent price drops. A recommendation with caveats. The Prozon Shuffle 4K is a super-duper high-detail printer that invariably works. Solidly constructed with heavy-duty parts, there are some quirks to the workflow of using it, but with weight and rigidity in all areas, from the frame of the motion system using an industrial ball screw, a solid workhorse of a resin printer, albeit one that requires you to accommodate its quirks and bugs. Number 4 Dremel Digilab 3D4D Award-winning 3D printer. The Dremel Digilab 3D45 is a feature-packed prints accurately and comes loaded with powerful software, making it one of the best 3D printers we've tested. The Form 2 offers magnificent print quality, a good selection of resins, and an improved user experience over the previous generations of Formlabs 3D printers. The MakerBot Replicator Plus 3D printer is a marked upgrade from its predecessor, offering better speed, a larger build area, and workflow solutions for professionals. Dremel Digilab 3D40 3D printer, instruction manual, quick start guide, USB flash drive, spool of filament, power cable, USB cable, build sheets, build tape 2, object removal tool, unclog tool. Number 5 ComGroup Creality Ender 3 Pro 3D printer. ComGroup Creality Ender 3 Pro 3D printer is fully open source, allowing users to improve their printer upon the source code and share the changes within the community, resulting in an improved experience for all. Ideal gift for kids. The semi-assembled kit 3D printer is a perfect gift for kids, allowing them to learn about the basic construction of 3D printers and ideal for STEM projects. Invite imagination and innovation to students, help them discover the wonders of all the STEM fields. Provide all-round protection to your 3D printer build plates and ensure consistent temperature throughout the build surface. Easy to remove the printing models after cooling. For more details, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching the video.